Okay, I'm going to do a quick video today showing how to create a sprint using the case upload tool. So I'm going to go to the upload tool and pick Sprintmap and download the template. It's opened up here in Excel. And what I'm going to do is create a 6-item sprint to put signage in all of our conference rooms. The first column is status. There's a drop down, so I can go back here to columns and see what the options are. I'm just going to make them all new. Then we need a sprint name. Now, department is an external data source, so I want to make sure I get this right. So I'm going to pull up that case just to see what the options are. So here's a new Sprintmap case, and I can see department is optional. So I could leave all of these blank up to due date. I'm going to look at our departments and pick marketing. So back to our spreadsheet. So due date, we'll just make this a 6-week project. So I've put in starting 10 out, and then I've added a week to each of those. And now in this column, I'm going to kind of force the dates. Equals today plus that number. And I can just copy that formula, copy this, and paste special with the values. So I've just kind of taken a couple seconds to give us starting 10 days from now and then a week after for each thing. So now I'm going to line out all the different things I need to have happen. So now I've put in 6 different things that I want to have happen as a part of this sprint, and the next thing I need to do is provide a little bit more detail. So I've written a little story here about what this sprint is, and I'm going to make this the beginning of every case note so that if someone gets one of these and doesn't know what it is that we're doing, now they've got some context. And then after that, for each one, I'm going to give some specific information. Okay, so now I've gone and I've given a bunch of detailed instructions in each of these things. And in each case, I've mentioned what's happening in the sprint, prior case, and when to close the case. So now each case will have instructions, and all I need to do is fill out who it's assigned to, who it's created by, and who it's owned by. And I'm going to give these all to Finette, who will properly allocate them among the team. I'm going to say that they're created by me. I'm going to say that they're owned by Heather. I'm going to save this. I have to actually close it now. Select a file to upload. Now I'm only going to validate. I'm going to skip the second row because I didn't change that. Let's go ahead and start it and see what we get. Okay, looks good. I'm clear to go, so I'm going to uncheck the validate only, and I'm going to skip the pre-validation because I just did it. Okay, cases I created, and here they are. You can see they have their appropriate due dates, everything is as it should be, and we're off to the races.